What? All right, it's the next morning. We are about to go fly one of Gravy's, right next to his house spots, I think. And we're gonna rip. It's gonna be fun. Right now, charging some halala battery right over in this area somewhere. The hot dog FTV. I don't know what I'm saying, so let's freaking get out of here. I got my Boston Drone Film Festival sweatshirt on. Let's go fly some freaking quads. Alright, so now we're outside. We're walking to a pit, and we're gonna fly that pit. I don't know exactly where we're going. Look at this travesty. This skateboard left unattended. Never leave your skate outside. Alright, so we're not trespassing, we're just walking next to this fence here. I'm tired, but I've had enough coffee to fuel at least 8 to 9 packs. Enoch. This is Enoch. Not Enoch, it's Enoch. Like Enoch, I wear my cape. You can't destroy.
Damn you, Tommy!
Tommy Umergerd.
Nobody midair.
Everybody.
Enoch, please. Yeah, we don't have Frosty here to get my quad from the woods.
Yeah. So everybody midair Enoch.
Everybody.
All right, that was that spot. We're moving on to the next one. We get some Wendy's, eat. That's Hawkeye right there.
Yeah, bro.
He rips. Check out his channel. And I gotta freaking farmer blow my nose real quick, and I'm not gonna do it on film. All right, Wendy's, delicious drinks. Time to eat. I'm so freaking hungry. And then we're gonna go rip. It's raining a little bit outside, so hopefully that doesn't last, and we can go have a blast. And I don't end up in the leg cast.
Show me your hands, Lang.
So a couple of walk of shames. This is a cool parking lot spot that Gravy brought us to. I'm freaking loving it because you know how I fucking roll. Fucking parking lots all fucking day. So I'm waiting for these guys to come down and put another pack up. Let's keep ripping. Shun.
Yeah, the pink is coming, boys. GoPro's top.
we go? Oh, I'm leaving.
Bye, Bug Rider.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, Boston.
This guy's fucking leaving. Hey, maybe when you get home. When you get home, maybe you'll know.
What? Oh my God. Do I know?
Bye.
No,
I don't think he knows.
All right, I'll see you on the battlefield, brother.
Yeah, man.
So that call, huh?
Yeah.
That Call of Duty.
Oh no, fucking! Oh, I'm not recording. Goddamn! I'm slipping. Do it again.
That Call of Dookie.
That Call of Duty.
All right, I'm Sid Traps, Gravy. Appreciate everything, bro.
Later, bro. He doesn't know. Oh wait, does he know? Oh, he's back. He knows.
No, I don't want to bring this weed in the airport, though.
Oh. All right. The dilemma is this: I left my vape on a bridge in Boston. We're gonna go on a rescue mission to get my vape back. The vape rescue mission back. Get mission rescue. Rescue vape mission. Get bag of weed on the door thing. Rescue mission. Get mission. Get.
Now we got it.
Vape.
So we
my God, that's what I'm doing so far.
Oh my God! So he was doing this, and this,
Exception.
and this. What the fuck did you do?
All right, so I must have. We were on the bridge taking pictures because this guy was like, "Hey, why don't we take some time lapse?" I was like, "That sounds cool." And we took some time lapse pictures, and I had my vape with me, and I put it down on the thing, and we took time lapse pictures, and it was cool. It was dope. And I was like,
for like half an hour.
yeah,
We stood on a bridge and took pictures.
yeah, because we appreciate like that. So I did that, and then we all walked away, and I walked right away from my vape. I was like, "Peace out. We're gonna go. We're gonna go get it back. Let's go."
Yeah, so we're driving 8 miles, which is like half a goddamn hour to get back.
Is it
there.
half an hour?
And yeah, and then
Oh,
come
fuck
back
that.
here.
No, we're not. Doing
No,
that.
we're doing this.
No,
we
we're not. No,
we're doing.
fuck that.
We're doing it.
We drove around and around, and we found this. We found the spot, and now we're gonna go. I have to get out. Gravy's gonna stay here. I'm gonna go to the spot and hope my vape is still there.
I'm gonna make sure the car doesn't roll into the car here because we're illegally parked. So it's like, I don't know. Oh, that's my camera, by the way. And this is me. Ah!
Okay. This is where we were, right here. Look at that. It's still here. Shwiggity-dink. Shwiggity-dink. All right, let's go back to Gravy. These are the things that you do when you're in Boston. Boston things. You lose your vape on the side of the friggin' road taking pictures. And then you find it again because your friends drive you around the blocks forever and ever, and you go through a little memory lane point where like, oh fuck, I went to college here, blah 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 blah. Like I skated down there, I fucking worked over there, I smoked blunts over there, I wrote graffiti over there, and all that kind of good shit. So it was an adventure, nonetheless. I'm glad my vape was still there. That shit was expensive, and apparently it's illegal here in grand old Massachusetts. Because you know, lobbyists, cigarette companies, criminal bullshit, paid off politicians. Eat a dick!
Yo, you got it?
I got it.
All right, cool. I'm going to the bathroom.
All right, you go to bed. I have to fucking piss too. Where are you going? All right. You want me to stay with the car? No. We'll tandem that shit? No. All right. Well, we're going to take a piss. Thanks for going out with us on that journey to find my vape. And I will see you guys on the flip side. There's more to that. Never mind.
You've arrived.
We are here. I like that flashing light. All right, this is it, guys. Well, I'm off to the airport. It was great.
Yeah,
Hanging.
man. Fuck it. Fuck that shit. Oh, awesome fucking meeting you.
I want the sound effect too. I want to do the sound effect.
We'll get the sound effect when Bot knows.
Bad, yeah, when Bot knows. He'll
When
add
Bot
it.
knows,
He'll add
it'll
the
already
sound.
be added in. It'll be added in post. So, all right. Later.
Peace, homie.
Later, guys.
I met Ole Gravy Leg, and we flew quad. I gotta come back to fucking Boston.
Yep.
Is
You've
that-
got to come back
And rip.
in epic fashion.
Oh,
Now you got your shit.
got my shit. My shit is here on my back. All right, dog.
Later, homie.
Awesome.
Have a safe
Awesome
flight.
seeing you.
Later, guys.
Later. Pretty intense. Bye-bye, Mr. Gravy Leg. All right. Time to get in a freaking plane. Time to check in. See us. Let's go.